I'll show you how to fix a scratch. It's simple, effective, and the results can be surprisingly good. From right to left: a heating iron, hard wax filler sticks, steel wool, burn and balm, and a damp tissue. These are all part of a laminate floor repair kit. First, locate the scratch or chip on the floor. As you can see here, the surface is chipped and needs to be filled. Plug in the heating iron and let it warm up for a minute or two. Be careful, the tip gets very hot. Select the wax filler that closely matches your floor color. Melt a small amount of the wax with the iron. And drip it directly onto the damaged spot. Before using the hot iron, apply burn and balm around the scratch to prevent heat damage. Gently shave off the excess using the edge of the iron or a plastic scraper if available. Wipe off the burn and balm with a damp tissue. Take a small piece of steel wool and lightly rub the surface to make it smooth and even with the surrounding floor.